In our endo-venous laser for varicose veins hands-on workshop here at the Nicholson Center Advent Health Celebration Orlando, we are going to teach every step for you to perform your own endo-venous laser procedure. This is going to be in our fresh frozen cadaveric specimen. And we are going to perform the procedure step by step. You know, the American Anatomy Institute is going to perform this course for the first time. It's a unique opportunity. What are the steps? Well, first of all, you have to select the entry point under ultrasound guidance. Afterwards, you have to get into the vein, Seligman method or some cut down. We are going to show you the advantages and disadvantages. Also, then you are going to place the wire inside the vein in this cadaveric material. And afterwards, your catheter. And then afterwards, the most important, the fiber optic. Then we are going to make the step 3 is going to be the injection of the tumescent anesthesia around the vein in order to avoid any kind of burning of the skin. Afterwards, we're going to put the red light. Step 4 is going to be laser delivery. And step 5, very important, the pull down of the fiber optic in order to give the proper dosage of laser. Everything under ultrasound guidance here at the lab in the Nicholson Center Advent Health Celebration Orlando. Don't miss this wonderful opportunity. You have to come over here at this wonderful facility. This is the lab. We're going to have all the material for you to learn. You are going to have the opportunity to perform your own procedures right over here. One, another one, another one. So you are going to have all the experience here at the Nicholson Center Celebration Orlando.